Hi guys, thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, this is me Shuchishmita and it's my channel Bongkuri. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to prep up your skin before applying makeup. So the first thing you really need to know is that prepping up your skin is really essential or else your makeup will look really patchy, cakey and won't glide on smoothly. So the first thing we are going to do here is cleansing. And for cleansing, I am going to use the Himalaya Neem face wash. I'm going to take this much and I'm going to gently wash my face. So I want to say I am cleansing my face and it's essential as it removes the excess dirt that sits on top of your face and it also helps to remove excess sebum and oil. For step 2, I am going to exfoliate my skin and for that I am using Everyuth Natural Walnut Face Scrub. So exfoliating is also very important because we get a lot of whiteheads and blackheads on these areas like on our nose, chin, side of our mouth, and it looks really bad when we do makeup or put on makeup on top of that because it looks like white and it doesn't look good at all, and it also helps in removing dry skin. So I'm taking little bit and also go very gentle or else you gonna hurt yourself. And always remember little is more. Don't take way too much of products or it will lead to wastage. I'm going very gentle. I'm not putting too much of force like this. And this is how you should exfoliate your skin. At least take 2 minutes. So now that I have washed my face and you can see it's very clean, and now moving on to the third step, I'm going to apply a toner, and here today I'm using the Biotech Bio Honey Water Toner. Okay, so what does it do? Why toning your face is really essential? So first, it ensures that it maintains the pH level of your skin. 2, it tightens the pores, and 3, it removes excess dirt from your pores. I'm applying it with the help of a cotton and it feels so refreshing guys, to be honest, it's really refreshing. Okay, so moving on to the fourth step, I'm going to moisturize my face, and for that I'm using the Lotus Herbals Papaya and Saffron Anti-Blemish Cream. If you are someone who is suffering from terrible oily skin, then you can go for gel moisturizer. My personal favorite is the Pond's Super Light Gel, but sadly I got over with that. I have to purchase another one, but don't ever skip moisturizing your face. I'm assuring you it's going to work for you and you should moisturize. You can see how much I have used this tub, and also it smells so good, it looks so good, and it also works good. So I'm not taking too much of it, I'm only taking a pea-sized amount. And I'm going to apply it on my face. And moisturizer helps to plump up your skin before applying makeup. So for the fifth step, I'm going to apply a face primer, and for that I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. I have used this as well so much and it's going to get over soon, oh my god. Okay, so face primer helps to blur out all your open pores and it gives a smooth canvas for your foundation. So I am taking this much of amount and I'm going to apply it on my T-zone. So for the last step, I am going to apply Vaseline on my lips. Okay, one thing I want to say is, suppose you are going out applying some BB cream or some blush, then you no need to follow all the steps, but make sure before going to sleep or returning back to home, you should follow your skincare routine. And if you are going to some occasion or somewhere where you love applying heavy makeup, then you should definitely follow all these steps. Now I'm going to apply my foundation and do a very minimal makeup and show you how my base and face looks. So yeah, this is how my skin looks now. It looks soft, glowy and plump up. I really love the way it feels right now. And yes, this is it for today. If you want to know how I did this makeup or how to get such natural looks, then do comment down below and also subscribe, like and share my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And also you can go and check out my Instagram. I post amazing content in that as well. And also it's not at all necessary that you have to use all those products that I personally used. You can use and experiment with all those products as per your skin preference. And yes, I also hope all of you are staying at home and all of you are fine. And yes, that's it. Bye. Take care.